Today we'll be looking at grade 4 comprehension passage and some grammar. So let me admit my student to the class right now as we go ahead with today's class. Let me see. Yeah. How are you today?
I'm good.
All right, you're welcome to the class for today. So we're going to look at the solution to the homework you were given quickly before we look into something else. So let me quickly read the passage. The Walking Baby. In an extraordinary tale that has captured arts around the world, a newborn baby has amazed doctors and parents alike by taking its first step on the very first day of life. Baby Luna was born in Happy Town Hospital, left everyone, yeah, Baby Luna, born in Happy Town Hospital, left everyone in awe as she wobbled on tiny legs, showcasing an unprecedented feat. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Johnson, were overjoyed and surprised when they witnessed Luna's early walking abilities. Mrs. Johnson exclaimed, "It was like a little miracle. We were so amazed to see we were so amazed to see our newborn taking those adorable steps." Pediatricians at Happy Town Hospital are equally astonished and are keeping a close eye on Luna's development, conducting various tests to understand this unique occurrence. The news of Luna's extraordinary feat has spread, and people worldwide are celebrating this heartwarming story of an exceptional newborn. Luna's family has been flooded with messages of joy and support. Now, looking at the questions on the rate, the first question says, "What surprised everyone about Luna's first day of life?" Okay, you said Luna's first day. You said baby Luna took its first step on the day she came out, on the day she was born, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
So you would have used on the day she was born, not on the day she came out. Okay, but that's still
Okay.
okay. I'm still gonna give you your mark. So on the day she was born, wait, that's not showing. I need to. Okay, so the major thing is that uh, she took her first step. So that's also correct. Took her first step. And the next one, where was Luna born and what was the hospital called? You said was born at Happy Town Hospital. Yeah, that's correct. Luna was born let me try to write that again. So Luna was born at Happy Town Hospital. Okay, how did Luna's parents feel when they saw her taking her first step? He said they were overjoyed and surprised when they witnessed it. That's correct. So Luna's parents were overjoyed when they saw Luna taking the first step. So that's also. Then number 4. What are doctors doing to understand Luna's unique ability? Doctors are conducting various tests. So say pedi- uh, pediatricians at Happy Towns at Happy Town are conducting uh, various tests. That's great. Then, how are people reacting to Luna's story? They're celebrating it. Yep. Celebrating. I think that's okay. So, what I would just need to tell you is your handwriting, that's all. I'll just try to make it readable a little bit, okay? So, Luna's
Okay.
story, yeah, people worldwide are celebrating Luna's story, and her family received messages of joy and support. Okay, there's literally no correction to do. 245. Just hold on as I give you what's next. Okay,
Okay.
for our viewers, you can subscribe to this channel. We'll continue shortly. So what we want to look at right now is to talk about verbs. You know what verbs are, right?
Yes.
Okay.
An action word.
What is a verb?
A
So you said a verb
verb is
is
an action
an
word.
action word, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
which
Now,
describes what you're doing.
if a verb is an action word, what's an action?
Like if you're sitting down, you're basically
Okay.
sitting,
Okay.
and if you're eating, you're like moving and eating.
Hmm.
And you
Okay.
have to move your body to sit, so that counts as a verb.
That is something you're doing words. Okay. All right. That's part of what we want to look at today. Like, let's see if I have a sentence like, okay, he sometimes wished to, wait a minute, wished to be left alone. Or if I have another one like, she often talks a lot. That's one sentence. That's another sentence. Or I have another one like, no one has any idea what happened. You know, no one has any idea or what's wrong with him or what has just happened or something. So, or let me just say, no one has any idea about what happened. Okay.
Okay.
So, about what happened. Now, in the first sentence, what is the verb? You know, can you mention
Wish,
the verbs
wish,
in the
wish,
first
wish, wish.
sentence? Wished, okay. Is that the only verb there?
Hmm. Left. Wait.
Left.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct. No, not. No. I'm asking.
What did you say?
I'm asking. Correct with left.
Left, yeah. It's a verb because he wanted to be left alone. Okay.
Yes,
What about
that's
be?
that.
Is be a verb?
Yes, it's a helping verb.
It's a helping verb. I know that. So let's see. The second sentence. What's the verb there?
Uh, talks.
Talks.
Talk with.
Talks. And the third sentence, any verb?
Mm. Happen.
Happened, right?
Yeah.
So is there any other verb there?
Hmm. She has. Hmm.
Hmm?
Hmm. 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 Any?
You said?
Never mind.
Okay. I think this is a verb that's also not action verb or something. Okay, fine.
A
So,
helping verb.
yes, you're gonna put down those details, then you're gonna attend to these questions, okay?
Yep.
So,
Yeah, doing
so
this. Not
put
doing
down
this.
these
I'm not doing
details first.
this.
You don't know what you are in for today. Do this. When you finish this, then you attend to this, okay? All right.
It's
So, you
time.
viewers, thanks for watching. You can subscribe to this channel. We'll continue shortly. Thank you. All right. So, you submitted the solution. She brought, the instruction says underline all the verbs in each sentence. So that's what we're trying to do. She did something, brought, let's say, brought all her school books home to practice. So we can practice here. Reading. Reading here is used as a noun, okay? To practice reading. Exactly. You want to practice something, right? Right? So he did something. She did something. She brought. That's a verb. Exactly. Then she want to practice. She want to do something. What did she want to do? She want to practice. So that practice is the second verb there. So it should have been this one. Well, this one is okay. This one is not. Tom chose to bowl the yellow ball at the bowling alley. Okay, we say chose and bowl. Yeah, bowling is not being used. No, it's just bowling is used as an adjective to the alley, which is a noun. So that is this one. You didn't underline the chose. And this one is not. Then um, they imagined what it was like to go to the moon. Imagined. Hold on, let me try. Imagined what it was like to go to. So after the imagine, we can underline was also, it's a verb. Then we can also underline go to the moon. So you only underlined one there. Then the teachers needed the children to help them set up for the school sports carnival. So needed, then set up, set up to set something. Then also help. So you put needed and help, but you didn't remember that set. Let's see. Okay. Then after they were finished recording the song, they played it to their parents. Okay. Mm, the main verb there is that they recorded a song, so that's the recording, but we could just underline all of this as a verb phrase. Were finished recording. Then you can say they played it to their parents or played. Yeah, that's okay there. The rally car drivers sped off to try to win the race. So they are drivers and they sped off and they try to win the race. So try is a verb. Okay. Race is not a verb. Though when you say someone race off, that is a verb, but this has a noun here. So you're supposed to underline this sped and win. Then Jack welcomed his friends to his house and introduced his little sister. Introduced his little sister. Welcomed, then introduced. They they explored the forest and found interesting flowers and leaves. So explored, then found. Where is it? Number 8. Interesting flowers. No. Interesting is not the verb there is found. That is. Amy discovered she had a fondness for creating music. Okay. Discovered, then creating. So those are the two, discovered and creating. The family shared a meal and talked about their day. So shared and talked. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 22, 23. Okay, quickly take note of your correction so that we can switch over to your mathematics class, okay? Is that clear? All right. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Munachi, can you hear me? So, though I didn't hear your response, maybe you were not talking aloud. Okay, so do quick. All right, viewers, thanks for watching this. You can subscribe to this channel. That'll be it for now on the English aspect. All right, so welcome to the math section. We're going now to the mathematics. So this is your math. Let's look at it together and see. Okay, the first one at the top says we should add all these numbers together or subtract the other one. So I have 2.96 um, plus 8.45. Then I'm going to add them together. Let's see. 6 plus 5 is 11. I keep 1. Then that's 10 plus 4. That's 14. Then I keep 1 again. And that's 10 plus 1. That's $11.41. And that's correct. Then the second part, which is the A part, says 4.72 plus 2.39. So we have this to be 11. 2 plus 9 is 11. You keep 1. And this is 10 plus 1, 11 again. You keep 1. And this is 7.11 dollars again. And the other one, let's say we have 506.00 minus 3.57. This is 3 because we borrowed 1, and this is 4 because we borrowed 1 from the 10, and this is 5 minus 3, that's 2. Then this is 9, where this
Oh,
is
minus,
4.
minus. Uh,
What are you saying? It's minus, don't you say it? You added, right?
Yes.
That's a trick. That's a tricky one there. So 24, 8 times 3, 5 times, this is 24, 8 times 3 is 24, 5 times 4, 20, 9 times 3, 27, 2 times 7, 14, 0 times 3, 0, 1 times 6 is 6, 6 times 4, 24, 7 times 4, 28, 8 times 4, 32, 0 times 9, or 9 times 0 is 0, and 7 times 7 is 49, then 2 times 10 is 20. So I think you got all of these correct. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 13, 14 over 15. Okay, that's a good job. I'm going to give you something to try now. Let me see.
For
I
credit.
love. Hold on. It's on math, but it's addition and subtraction stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Let me. I don't know if. Let me bring only the first one. Yeah, this one. Okay. This from number 7 to 12 and 25 to 30. So let's look at some of these questions. Like I'm going to solve some of them, okay? Then you'll be asked to solve the remaining one. For example, if I want to solve number 7, I pick it here. And I might decide to solve number 9, just as examples. I pick it here. Then maybe I decide to solve number 29. I pick it here also. Then let's see how it goes. In this number 7,
Where?
we are adding it together. So what do we do? 76 plus 48. So you have to show you're working like this when I give you, okay? So 6 plus 8
Okay.
is 14. You keep 1. And 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1. That's 12. So your answer there is 124, right? Right? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the answer, but you have to show you're working this way. And the next one, this is simply saying that you take something away from 94 to get this. Then it implies that if you take 94 away from this, you get this. So what you're going to do is to say 143 minus 94. Then 13 minus 4 is 9. Then this is 3. Making 13 again minus 9, that's 4. And nothing is left there. So your answer to this is going to be 49. That means if you add these together, you're going to get this. I mean, if you take this away from this, you get this. Or you take this away from this, you get this. Or you add this together, you get this. And the last one, but not the least, let's see, for 29. This is to take 29 away from something to get this. So that something must be bigger than both of them. So that means we are adding them together. So what we have is 73 plus 29. 3 plus 9 is 12. We have 1. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So that means it's 102 that must be here. So you subtract 29 to get 73. What you're going to do is to put down the example 7, 9, and 29. Then you attempt the remaining questions here, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so you can start writing now. Let's see. Okay, this one's here. Alright, viewers, thanks for watching. We'll continue shortly. You can subscribe to this channel. Answers to this one. Number 8. If I look at number 8, we're adding that's 47 plus 54. This will be 11, and this is going to be 10. That's 101. Just write your 1 so that they won't misplace it as 47 or something.
Okay.
Then number 10, it's going to be a subtraction because you have to take this away to get what you're going to add to that one. That'll be 135 minus 69. 15 minus 9 is 6, and 12 minus 6 is 6. So this is going to be 66. And number 11, we have to subtract also 112 minus 27. 12 minus 7 is 5. Then 10 minus 2 is 8. Then number 12, we have to subtract also 150 minus 52. This will be 8, and this is 4, so 14 minus this is 9. Okay, that's 150, that's 98. Then the next one, you see number 13. Oh, number 13 is not here, so number 25. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Okay, 25. We have to subtract 113 minus 34. So 13 minus 4 is 9, and 10 minus it is 7. Then number 26, we have 126 minus 68. No, 131 rather, minus 45. So this is 11 minus 5, that's 6. 12 minus 4 is 8. That's 86. We're taking it here. Then number 27, 126 minus 68. So that's going to be 16 minus 8 and 11 minus 6. That's 58. Then number 28, we have 170 minus 97. So this is going to be 10 minus this as 3. And this is 18. 18, 16 minus 9. What is 16 minus 9? That's 7, right? Then the last one, which is number 30, we have to add them together. So 88 plus 56. This is 14, then 13 and 14. That's 144 minus 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you got the 9 questions correctly. Okay, what is 7 times 6? Don't look elsewhere, just look at the screen. 7 times 6 is what?
42.
What is 6 times 8?
48.
28. What is 8 times 7?
Um, 100. Oh, oh, just
What, what is 7 times 9?
63.
What is 7 times 10?
Okay, 70.
What is 8 times 12?
I don't
96. What is 9 times 4?
know. 27.
36.
No, 36.
What is 5 times 8?
That's 40.
What is 8 times 3?
24.
What is 3 times 9?
That's 27.
What is 11 times 11?
11, 11. 1, 1, 10. No. Oh,
What is 10 times 5?
50.
What is, okay, 8 times 11?
8 times 11, 88.
What is 7 times 5?
35.
What is 4 times 8?
32.
Okay, final lap there. What is 5 times 9?
45.
6 times 12?
72.
5 times 12?
um 50. No, 60.
What is 16 times 2?
My math is not mathing. 32.
What is 15 times 3?
My math is still not mathing.
Mhm.
45.
What is 15 times 4?
60.
Okay, so that is where we'll be running up for today, okay?
Okay,
So we're gonna meet on
meet on Monday.
Monday, yeah. By the grace of God, I am 12 noon.
Yeah, 12.
Exactly. Mm, by 12
Yeah, bye
noon.
bye.
Okay, you can exit the class now.
Okay, let me. I'm
Yeah,
trying
say
not
goodbye.
with okay.
Okay, let's see. Yeah. All right, viewers. Thanks so much for watching this. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on a future video. And that'll be it for now. Say goodbye.